What's going on, guys? Ace Approve here, and today I'm going to go over some of the vehicles that I have a vendetta against. And it's not necessarily the vehicles, I would say the people who drive the vehicles. So, this is definitely a video that's basically letting some of my anger out on some of these people that own some of these vehicles, and I'm sure some of you will agree. I will say that this is what I've experienced here in Michigan. These are usually the people who don't know how to drive. These are usually typically the vehicles that they get. So let's get right into it. So the first one I want to talk about is almost the brand itself, but only certain vehicles. So first is Chevy. So when I'm talking about Chevy, I'm talking about like the Chevy Trax, more of this version of it. It seems like anybody who owns these just don't know how to drive. Like they just it looks like a car that someone doesn't know how to drive. It's a fake SUV. Like, look at this. Like, this is a piece of shit. Like you're driving a Boulder, and then look, like she trying to make it look like she driving something exotic. Like, I don't know. It's just, that's always been my pet peeve. Like I don't like these cars at all. They always drive slow, or they're always beat down or raggedy. Just they just irritate me. And lately, you know what's been irritating me also? The Chevy Blazer people. Like, they are everywhere up here. Like, I promise you, they are everywhere up here. And none of them know how to drive. None of them. Nobody knows how to drive these cars. It's like, I don't know what it is about Chevy, but they just attract idiots. They just attract idiots. And I can't forget about the Equinox. Not so much as idiots as the Blazers, but you do have your fair share, especially this face style. Mainly, like these, people. Oh my god, I hate them. Oh, and then I can't forget about the Traverse. Gotta add that in there. Like, I just don't understand why all these idiots drive these cars, especially this generation. This generation right here. Like, God, it's like I gotta stay away from them. I have to. I cannot be near them. And the newer Chevy Trailblazers, which I still don't understand why they call it a Chevy Trailblazer. It's neither here nor there, but yeah, like these compact SUV things,
they're trash.
I just look at this. I like the color, but not on this. See, that would look good on a Benz, BMW. This would go hard, but on this, it's a Trailblazer, and this is not a Trailblazer. This is a Trailblazer. These are Trailblazers. This is a Trailblazer. Not this. Not that. Camaro drivers are fine. For the most part, Silverado drivers are okay. Malibu and Impala people, they're hit or misses, but for the most part, they're okay. But it's mainly the SUVs. Even the Chevy Cruze people aren't that bad. I don't understand why. But but the worst, I'm telling you, I hate the Chevy Trax people. I hate them. Them and the Blazers, man, it's on sight. It's on sight with them, I swear. I swear on everything. The next vehicle, now this I'm talking about the vehicle. The next vehicle is a Kia Soul. Oh my gosh. A lot of people don't like these. The hamster cars. No one likes these. And I don't understand why they sell so good. And I even own a Kia. And even I'm like, this shit ugly. I don't even understand. How you like this? How you like this? How do you like this? This is so ugly. I don't understand. And they sell so good. It's the square, it's so ugly. I don't understand. But they sell so good. And it's not even like they're fast or they're quick or they're good looking or they're sharp or it's like a status symbol. It's a Kia Soul. And like, let me see it. Kia Soul. Like, these are like most of the ones I see here. Literally just driving on the road, you know, like especially these green ones. Oh my god, like these so ugly, but it belongs where it should be, in the junkyard. I don't know, man. I can't stand these cars. I really can't. But you know what? There's a car that is equal to these that I hate. And it's the last one on my list, believe it or not. It is a Ford Bronco, but the sport tier. These. I hate all of you that drive a Ford Bronco Sport. None of you guys should be on the road. I do not like you. All your engines blow up. Get off the road. No one likes you. Look at you. You're not even real. You're not even a real person. Look at you. Look at, like, who is this? You're AI generated. AI generated. Look at this. Ain't nobody having that fun in that little ass Bronco. That's not a Bronco. That's not a Bronco. This is more of a Bronco. This is more of a Bronco. This. I'll move the fuck out the way. Shit, you gonna run my ass over. Swear to God. But this shit, this Jeep Renegade, look, watch this. Huh? Look very alike. Look very alike. And guess what? Jeep Renegade drivers are better drivers than the Ford Bronco Sport drivers. These are just... these are like Kia Souls lifted. They're Kia Souls lifted. But that's the end of this video, y'all. I just wanted to put this video out there, get some content out there for you guys. I'm going to be making more content. Keep your noties on, like and subscribe if you like the video. I'm definitely going to make more videos like this, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.